Well, hello ladies and gents. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rap music video. And part of this is how to do it really fast, especially if you have a deadline, like if it's for an event or a leaderboard or something like that. I'm sure that you'll find this tutorial very stimulating and educational. So there's a couple steps that happen first before you set up the lights, bring the power strip in, set up the lights, film. But of course you got to do the song first. So we're going to go to the studio and we're going to record a song. All right, so we're in the studio and we're going to find a beat and then we're going to write lyrics and then record the lyrics. This is a real big recipe too. We're not talking about a 3-minute song. We're talking about a 1-minute verse and a hook. First of all, pick out a beat. I recommend you do your own beats because then you have no copyright issue. All right, so I want to use that one. So I'll drop it on here and then I'll write lyrics and then recite my lyrics.
Your launch is a hit, a miss, my conversion's your shit, a brick.
Alrighty, so that went good. So now we're gonna do one quick little thing. And remember, I'm recording this video right here with an iPhone 12 Pro Max. And so look, I'm gonna set this iPhone to photo and I'm going to take a photo of the lyrics. Bam, all right? Now that I took a photo of the lyrics, this is my trusty hyperdrive super fast music video little system I have. And look, I'm telling you guys this because I want you to do music videos too and we could promote each other. Here, we're back in the green screen room. There's a power strip there, all right? And from that power strip, have these lights. You want to do it upwards. You want to get your feet. For this one thing I'm doing, oh, excuse my feet, I'm wearing Susie's flip-flops. You want to get the whole body. You want to get your feet and your head.
Your launch is a hit, a miss, my conversion's you shit, a brick.
So remember, the reason why we had taken a picture of the lyrics was I just wrote the song like 2 seconds ago, so I don't even know the lyrics. So I got to look at this to remind me. In between, I'll be like recording a line, and then I go over here and look at the camera. Straight up, we're already done. So let's go back and edit all the footage. All right, we're back once again in the studio. Now what I'm gonna do is airdrop these videos from the iPhone 12 Pro Max into the computer. It is so hot in this thing. I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna get naked, and we're gonna go to Camtasia. You won't see any of that. All right, guys, so now we're using Camtasia to record the screen, and the first step to do is to import your song and then drop it in the timeline. Drop that song, and then we've got our trusty clips. I'm gonna drop this clip right there.
I'm ready to start shit.
We're gonna use this one example, all right? And I'm gonna go to crop, all right? Very important. And we crop this so that there's no like dark stuff. We're gonna go to keyer. Drop the green screen keyer, what am I doing? On there, like so. And then you see how there's all this garbage all over the place? So we go over here to matte tools, and then we push this, get rid of that, right? The helmet's starting to disappear, so then I just go to fill holes. I mean, Final Cut Pro is so dope. Here, we'll start with this. When I saw the clip, I already had it in my mind. We'll make a new one. So I put this actually underneath the green like that. And then I'll use my trackpad and like, ooh, like that. And then like go like this, right? So it's just, so now in the screen, you can see that, right? So now what we do is we create a keyframe, all right? So it's on the first frame of this clip and we create a keyframe. Now I'm gonna put another keyframe on the last one. Change this from crop to transform. Now I can move this, all right? Maybe right there. All right, so remember where the feet are and this little star things right there, we're good to go. So now we go like this real quick. There it is, right there, something like that. All right, so now we want to position this person here, and I'm gonna put him right there next to this star. And the reason is like when you scroll through this, like, he's kind of already done, right? But we're gonna do better than that. If we want this to look really good, just remember where the feet are. And so you go, make sure he doesn't move. All right, move it. Frame by frame, go like that. He's moving a little bit, right? Moving a little bit. Moved a little bit. So just keep him right there. All right. Whoa. All right, so let's take a look.
I'm ready to start shit. This is nerdy smart shit. The Caruso is heartless, so I...
Why the hell did I get freaking smaller? All right, guys, so here's the finished video product. It has complete with lyrics and everything on the top. That's just, you know, going up here to text, drop that in, and
How we fly so high, all this money. 248 a sale, all this money. How you get the house, man, all this money. Save it for a rainy day, all this money. Multiple payments, sir, all this money. I got a fucking Aston Martin, all this money. I'm meeting fans in public, man, all this money. I got a McMansion, son, all this money. Ex-wife, lawyer, man, all this money. Launch a satellite, all this money. You brothers got caught up, most likely shot up, because your shit not up, while I likely bought up. Yeah, dude, I'm bankroll, living even if snake told. You lose cause you ain't gold, yeah, I got the shank hole. I'm ready to start shit, this is nerdy smart shit. The Caruso is heartless, so I come the hardest. I'm launching with Johnny, got affiliate army. You Caruso's corny, no alarm in the morning. Your launch is a hit or miss, my conversions, your shit a brick. My competition been a dick, I'm ready to finish shit. I'll make your girl ass shake, I do this for the cash tape. But be real and your ass fake, I'm here to give your last break. I ain't got no headphones, so I leave your head blown. Neuro-linguistic dead zone, lay up on the bed phone. Johnny got the vision, we formed a coalition. Yeah, you better listen, you'll get plenty of commissions.
you might notice something too. I mixed this down. There's only two reasons why I do that. One of them is like sometimes you see this happen, right? And all that is a cut right there. So this was the original thing, right? With the keyframes, right? That type of thing. And then as you see, that sometimes happens. And so I like to just mix it down and do that, because then it's just all one layer. Again, there's probably an easier way to do this if anyone is, versed with Final Cut Pro. Let me know. In the song, I'm like, I got a McMansion, and I like doing that. I was making fun of myself a little bit. Like, it's not a mansion, it's like a wannabe mansion, right? So I was like, that's also a key. Don't be an arrogant prick. Make fun of yourself. I'll be like, hey, I'm skinny, I look malnourished, but I took your girl on a date last night or something like that. You know what I mean? Like a little bit of a combination, but anyway, yeah. So, did a search for my house and then on Google, and then cut it out with Photo P. Actually, I still don't even have Photoshop on this computer, believe it or not. Like, I just got the computer like 3 months ago, and my Photoshop doesn't work or something. I don't know. So I've been using Photo P. It works fine. You know what I mean? It's like a free Photoshop editor or whatever. But yeah, this is it. It was like how to do a rap video with an iPhone. What was the place where I got the clips? Like there's these stock video websites where you could pay a monthly fee and you can get like download unlimited 4K clips. And that's another thing is like I filmed it on 4K setting. No technical funny stuff. I mean, there's hardly any effects on this at all. Also, I just used Cinema Grade, which is like this color grading plugin that is very simple, and it was just like make the contrast more. Like a lot of the time when you do the green screen stuff compared to a 4K background clip, you have to what was I saying? Make it kind of look like the 4K. A lot of the time it'll be like kind of light for lack of a better word, and you gotta like add the contrast or whatever. But yeah, I hope you like this video. This was done for Plenty of Commissions. As I'm recording this, we're launching tomorrow, so of course I'll throw in that plug. Promote Plenty of Commissions. You'll get plenty of commissions. And yeah, hope you like the video. Subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll be back tomorrow with something else. All right, see ya.